This video is a little different because I am asking for your help figuring out what comes next. Hi everybody, I'm Sue Ellen Clayton. Welcome to my channel where we're learning the tarot deck one card at a time. I have just finished uploading the final set of videos, which are the court cards. So on May 24th, 2024, you will have access to videos of all 78 tarot cards. Some of you know that I started this channel because I'd been messing around with tarot for 17 years and made very little progress. Then in 2023, I had a very traumatic year. I had 4 surgeries, got COVID twice, and also ended up with Lyme disease. I closed down my business and decided I was going to get serious about learning tarot, and boy, did I ever. Once I started feeling better, it dawned on me that the best way to learn is to teach, which is why I started this channel and threw myself into this project. So here's where I need your help. What do you want to learn next? We've looked deeply into each of the cards, so it's time to do some readings, which is a big topic. I've got lots of ideas, but I would appreciate your input. What would you like to learn? What do you struggle with that maybe I can clarify? If you follow other channels, what do you think is already being covered well and I don't need to bother with? Or what is missing that you'd love to see covered in more detail? So please, please, please leave a comment and let me know. Finally, I want to say thank you to all of you who have watched, subscribed, liked, and commented. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. As I've mentioned in the videos, I am a total introvert and I don't think I've ever commented on a video if I didn't know the person. Now that I'm a YouTuber, I see how valuable this is and I've changed my ways. Yes, it helps growing the channel, but it is also incredibly heartwarming to know that you appreciate my research and that we are creating a community for people who are serious about learning tarot. There's nothing better than waking up to a message that I've got a comment, and I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to do that. I'm looking forward to the next phase of this tarot journey and to seeing what all of you would like to learn. Thanks so much for watching.